today, so is Georgetown College.
Jessamine and Madison counties are closed. Midway College, Model Lab, School, Bears, Independent, and Scott and Woodford counties closed as well. And Baker Iron and Metal is closed. Bluegrass Army Depot, Mercia shift canceled. Fayette County District Circuit and Family Courts are closed today. And Fayette County Driver's License offices also closed. KC TCS offices in Versailles are not open today. The Kentucky General Assembly will not be meeting today. Lexington Clinic is closed. Lexington Fayette County government employees not involved in snow don't have to report today. And Lexington is on snow plan. That means buses only serving stops marked with snowflakes, and also they know Black Swan. Black Swan Books is closed today. Get the complete list online at WBLKAM.com. Next hour, we're just going to talk about the weather. We're not going to do a darn thing about it, but we're going to talk about it because that's what we do around here. That's it. Let's see. We've got some celebrity birthdays today, including Murray Head, who's 69. Craig and Charlie Reed of the Proclaimers are 53, and Eddie Grant is 67.
Various problems sliding off the roadway out there. Some issues, mostly single car issues throughout the area. Biggest problem is just trying to get to a main road. If you're in a neighborhood on a side street, you can have some pretty big problems from the surrounding areas, outlying areas. We're going to have some big problems, especially in the last steps where they're getting snow tunnels, a foot and a half or more in places right now. So being reported, I think in some parts of Franklin County, maybe over 20 inches of snow that they're seeing in places. I'm being online here, so talking about some ridiculous amounts of snow out there across, and with the wind blowing too, you get some drifting too, so that may be where some of those tunnels are coming from. But at any rate, it's a mess out there, and if you don't have to be out, I would suggest you stay put, because not only is it snowy, but conditions treacherous. Pretty cold out there right now too, so I just be very careful. And if you don't have to travel again, don't. Roads not in great shape. We're going to have a hard time staying ahead of the storm. Right now, traffic on the show, live on the traffic center. Brian Wilson, News Talk 5. Ready?
WBLK. Hey, Bo's in for Louie, and brought to you by Landscapers Corner at 1305 Old Frankfort Pike. This spring, it's time for grass seed. Landscapers Corner has Triple Crown Elite available in 520.
Ironically enough, someone just drove right alongside us here, and you can see the back end right now kind of going back and forth, and he just came right alongside us and kind of sped in front of us. I don't know whether you're getting through it in a hurry on a day like today, but I myself have had to get out and push a few cars that have gotten stuck. That was more so in the northwestern Masterson Station area of Lexington, but it's pretty consistent across the state that it's just not good driving conditions.
Mike Linden, WKYT meteorological team, out and about on the Lexington roads. Thanks, man. Appreciate your report.
Hey, absolutely. Stay warm in there.
Yeah, we'll do. Oh, hey, we're nice and cozy in the studio. So, just roads generally around the state not good. And again, like what we heard over on I-65, a lot of that was caused by some pileups. I mean, some people were just going off the road, but there were also apparently several trucks that had jackknifed on I-65. And that's an area of the state that got hit pretty hard. I mean, 15, 18 inches is what I'm hearing reports of. And we've heard earlier that Frankfort got nailed pretty good. Some reports of as much as 21 inches, we'll see. But I am hearing totals like that out across I-64. So it's definitely a mess, and you want to kind of keep your eye on the roads and be careful. And like Mike said, follow the snow heading. Make sure that